what's happening, man?
Some happy little expediters.
Uh-oh.
There's Jerry and Fred.
Jerry and Fred. I like your little mouse you got on the end there.
Yeah, it's good for
sound quality.
Good for sound quality.
Is that a GoPro 5500?
Man, that little camera does all those quality videos.
Nice. I
Holy
like it.
crap.
That's got a wide lens on it, you know?
Yeah.
The camera's that freaking big.
Did you see our coffee we're brewing over here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Making coffee in style.
Got the smoothie, you're running the smoothie machine. I got the smoothie machine over here. So we're doing that earlier because, you know, we got to build them muscles, you know. We got to do that stuff.
be strong.
So you want to know what we have in the smoothie today?
What do you
So we're doing, I'm burning up some 2% organic milk. So I did that. I got 3 scoops of protein powder. That's plant-based protein powder. And I got, what else I throw in there? Blueberries. I put blueberries all the way up to here.
Blueberries?
And the milk, protein powder, and a banana. You know, got to get that banana chocolate flavor going on.
Yeah.
Best breakfast in the world.
Then I got a Hot Logic.
Oh,
See
yeah,
that?
there we go.
A Hot Logic. Yes. So John turned me on to that. You know, and he says, "Yeah, you gotta get a Hot Logic."
That's how big it is.
Well, this is the mini. This is the mini. So then you got the Pyrex. My dad used to work for Corning, so I take pride in making my meals out of that. I haven't used it yet. There's the hot plate, and this is a 12-volt version.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I'm going to be doing this one. And John's going to be testing me on the road. He's going to be, what are we having tonight, Greg? Chicken thighs. Sort him over here, and he said, "You want that Tim Hortons coffee?" And
I said no.
you know. What the, where they? Hi.
Let the microphone. Alrighty, everybody. We have a 2019 Ford Transit 350 with the EcoBoost. This is somebody that is in the industry and that makes YouTube videos. Everything Apex. Alan, this is Alan's van. He's got a 3100 watt inverter generator. It's a when inverter generator. Took his passenger seat out. We'll go to the back, show you his van. Here's some of the people. We're still at the camp. Here's the inside of his van here. We're camping, so don't mind the mess. He's made some shelves on here inside the van, right up against the wall. They're screwed in. Put some. These guys are harassing me over there. So you made some shelves along the walls here. He's got plywood, E-track on the floor. What? I didn't break your stick. You know what you did? You just broke my concentration. I quit. You're ruining my video. Ruining my video. Reflectix in the roof. He's actually got a 13,500 BTU AC, and that thing works nice. I was in here yesterday talking with Alan and another driver, and that thing would freeze you out of here. And it's not insulated totally, and it was nice, and it was a little chilly in here last night. He's got 2 deep cycle, maintenance free batteries. There's no little caps on it, so they off gas. These are marine deep cycle, 2 deep cycle batteries. Got a 2000 watt inverter. Got a charging port, charge your phone or laptop or something like that. Well, I guess you can charge your laptop through there. You can charge your phones or tablet or something. Has a hard hat, one of those little turbo fans. Here's his bed setup. I think it just kind of clips onto the side of the wall or something, and then it goes, there's a leg that goes down there, and I believe this will flip up, so this bed will flip up all the way behind the seats, so you can get 3 skids in here. He's done wall paneling, Reflectix insulation, has a tarp. So these are some of the things, if you have a van or you're looking to get into a van, these are some of the little things you should be doing just to make life more convenient for you out on the road. So just a quick tour here of just the, maybe this will spark some people, their ideas and stuff like that. And there's these things too. These things are bright, man. They take I think 3 AA or AAA batteries or something, and that sucker's bright, man. Those are really good for vans, just to put on like an overhead thing or something, or in a shelf or whatever. Thing works awesome, and it's cheap. Just replace the batteries and you're good to go. But yeah, this is a 2019 Ford Transit, longest and tallest that they make. I believe it's a 159 wheelbase. And in comparison, over here is I think this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster. They're basically, you get 1 and 2. So these are, I think, the Ford Transits are 14 feet, and I think these are, talking about cargo length from the back doors to the back seats, I think these are like 13.5 or 13.6 or something like that. So just, that's a comparison. But what's going on, everybody? Today I am in Albion, Indiana. Went to the Transportation Life Wheels, Wings, Rudders Camp Out. It was right after the Expedite Expo 2019. So we're here with a bunch of people. There's more people yesterday. I did not film. I kind of wanted to relax and unwind and have fun. And people don't like cameras stuck in their face, they get all weirded out by it, so I don't want to make people feel uncomfortable with doing the videos. But yeah, man, good time. Great group on Facebook, Transportation Life Wheels, Wings, Rudders Facebook, and we're on Zello. It's a walkie-talkie app, kind of like the old Nextel push-to-talk phones. It's basically what it's like. And I think we're the biggest group expediting. Well, it's not really an expediting group, it's a transportation group for people in buses, airplanes, anything transportation related, people with taxis, almost anything really. But yeah, just kind of hanging out here, having a good time with everybody, and figured I'd make a short little video of everybody here. Got a bunch of good people. Tim and Alan, Everything Apex, Tim Expedites, or My Life's Ventures, same thing. They're here. We got a fleet owner that's here, and there's a guy that's been, I think, in the industry for 21 years. He's in a cargo van, and he's with Panther. He's been doing this for 21 years. So got a bunch of cool people here, a little get together. There was a bit more people, but it's Monday, and I believe they ended up getting a load.
There you go. Ah. Oh shit. Trying to be a fairy tale. Run! No! Yeah! Yes!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you like my content. I will talk to everybody later. Thank you so much for watching.